Don't you know the rules of the road? That's a critical mistake. Hi, I'm your driving instructor. Welcome to my channel where we learn how to drive safely, confidently, and without getting fined. Today we will focus on a task that may seem simple at first, but is actually quite important: turning left into a driveway. This skill is essential for both new and experienced drivers, because knowing how to execute it correctly helps prevent accidents and ensures smooth traffic flow. Now let's imagine a real-life scenario. You're driving down the road and need to turn left into a driveway. Before you proceed, you must be aware of your surroundings and follow the right-of-way rules. Here's the question for you. What must you do before making the turn? 1. Yield to pedestrians. 2. Yield to oncoming traffic. 3. Yield to both pedestrians and oncoming traffic. Take a moment to think about it. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments below. I'll give you 10 seconds to decide. All right, I hope you had enough time to make your choice. Now let's analyze this situation step by step. In the image, we see 3 key elements: 2 cars and a pedestrian. The red car, which represents you in this scenario, wants to turn left into a driveway. The yellow car is traveling straight in the opposite direction. Meanwhile, a pedestrian is crossing the road, walking straight ahead. To determine the correct course of action, we need to apply fundamental traffic laws and right-of-way rules. According to road regulations, when making a left turn, you must always yield to oncoming traffic before proceeding. That means you cannot turn until the road is clear and it is safe to do so. Additionally, pedestrians always have the right-of-way at crosswalks and designated pedestrian areas. This means that if a pedestrian is in your path, you must stop and allow them to cross safely. Based on these rules, the correct answer is option number 3. You must yield to both pedestrians and oncoming traffic. Congratulations if you got it right. If not, don't worry. This is why we practice. Understanding and following traffic laws will not only keep you safe, but also prevent you from receiving fines or causing accidents. I hope this explanation was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here we discuss all aspects of driving, from basic maneuvers to advanced techniques, ensuring you become a confident and responsible driver. Drive safely, follow the rules, and let's hit the road without fear. See you in the next lesson.